So we're doing counterclockwise this way. If you make the circle bigger, that might help. And then you lift the leg, you turn, and lift the other leg. Lift the leg, turn, lift the other leg. Lift the leg, turn, lift the other leg. And then what you could do is, instead of doing it like I'm doing it, where I'm in my corkscrew, and I'm doing one, going under and up and down and going under, you could just do it like a corkscrew in the middle. Get ready, and then do one. So you could just corkscrew in between. What you just told me is how yours feels doesn't look like how you perceive mine looks. But you're not comparing like things. You're comparing your feelings to what you see mine looking like. If you want to compare like to like, you should take a video of yours and compare your video to my video. Because I don't think that move feels like a regular corkscrew. It is a little awkward. You're kind of bent over, your hand is in your crotch, you're turning while you do it, and I may do it in a way that looks elegant, but that doesn't mean it feels like a normal move where you're not going under the leg. It doesn't, not to me. So if I were to compare my feelings to what you're reporting are your feelings, you feel like it feels a little awkward and clunky. It definitely felt awkward and clunky to me when I started. Now it just feels sometimes awkward, sometimes not, but I just have gotten good at doing the turn with it. I'd be surprised if you've done the move 100 times total. I've probably done the move thousands of times. So maybe with a little more practice, it will feel better. But at the very least, you should take a video of yourself in wide open space. And that's the other thing. If you're trying to do this move, you're in your kitchen with a whole bunch of stuff around you. If you're trying to do this move in a closed space, like, you may feel even more awkward because you're worried about hitting something around you. That's very different than trying to execute it in an open space. You should take your tripod outside and record yourself doing it and look at yourself doing it, rather than comparing how it feels to how it looks. And this is one of the reasons why I encourage you to make videos anyway, because just because something feels some way doesn't mean it looks that way, right?